Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name's Brina. Today I thought we would play with my hair and do these heatless curls. So if you're interested to see how I did these heatless curls, keep on watching. So I've got my handy dandy cotton candy, ooh, I rhymed, container here, which I store all of these foam roller thingies. I don't know what these are called. I'll put a link to where you can get these in the description box. I'm going to be using the purple ones today. They're a little bit larger than the blue ones, as you can see. And I've also got my container full of bobby pins and clips and stuff, because today I'm going to be using those to help hold these in place, because I find that when you just bend it on the hair, sometimes it can leave weird kinks, and we're not trying to have that today. So I've never really done exactly what I'm going to do today before. First, I'm just going to start off with spritzing my hair with a little bit of water. My hair is already dry. I washed it yesterday and just let it air dry. And this is spraying myself in the face. Okay, cool. This is my favorite way to do any heatless style, starting with my hair completely dry, freshly washed, and just starting with a little bit of a spray of water to help make it more manageable. I've never actually done exactly what I'm planning on doing today, but I've done something very similar, and I was going to do this style and then film a makeup tutorial, but I thought, hey, it's been a while since I've done a hair video, so let me just film the hair video instead. So I'm going to obviously be using these purple ones today, like I already said, and I have these little metal clips. I don't know what these are called either. Everything I'm using today I will link down below so you can find it all there. So to start today, I'm just going to take about a 1.5 inch section here in the front, and I do have a very thin hair, so you can see my 1.5 inch section gets very small once I get past my roots here. And I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and twist the hair away from my part, if that makes sense, and then wrapping it around. And I'm going to leave out a little bit at the ends, and then place this metal clip on there to hold that in place. And I'm also going to place one at the top. Maybe, what in the world is happening? There we go. Okay, I'm starting over. That was just not working. So I'm just gonna do what I normally do with these. Still try something a little bit different. Still going to start by twisting the hair, and then I'm just going to wrap this up to hold that in place. Wow, this is already going much, much better. So I still have this chunk of hair back here, but I ran out of the purple ones. I already know that the blue ones doubled up make basically the exact same curl as the purple ones. So I'm just going to double up on these for the rest of my hair. And now all of my hair is in the curlers, rods, whatever these are called. So I'm just going to go back in with my spray bottle and give this a good, generous spray. Alright, now I'm just going to leave this in for a few hours, I don't know, whenever it dries, and then I'll come back and show you the results. Hopefully, it turns out good. It has been a few hours now, and I'm ready to take these thingies out. Alright, this is the finished results of the curls. I have to say, down here is more of what I was going for. Pretty much this whole side. I definitely like how this side came out a little bit better. It's kind of got a mixture of some tighter wavy curls going on with some loose ones throughout. And this one, I just ended up with a lot of really tight curls, especially towards my face and on top here. But overall, I am pretty pleased with how this turned out. Like I said, I didn't really know what I was getting into here because I've used these many times before, but mainly when I had much longer hair, and I would only use like 3 of the purple or 3 of the blue. So I thought I would experiment with them this time, and I'm not mad at it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of how these curls turned out, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and I just recently started a new makeup and murder series this past Saturday, so you can check that out here. I'll also link it in the description box. So if you're into true crime and you're into makeup, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!